Okay, I'll turn off cluster and I will remove cluster from the fields. And we can also do a heat map. Now it's always a little bit overpowering, so all I did was tick on Heatmap, and I'll change that to 1. And so there you can see accidents, and you can see obviously it's following main roads, but you can see some large areas where there has been a heat of accidents. And wouldn't it be great if you could also put circles over the top of this map? But unfortunately you can't, and you can't in any map in a Power BI. But there is a way you can make it look like it is. So what I want to show you is base maps and how we can make it appear like there's more data on here than what it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under Viz settings. You can see there's different map styles. So we're using the light. You can use the dark, which might look good for a heat map. That really makes it stand out. You've got satellite imagery as well.